Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your POCO F8 Ultra. So first, you need to be in an active call in order to change the volume of your call. So just press on the volume up side button when you are in a call, because whenever you go into the settings and then scroll down to sound and vibration, you won't have an option to actually change it here. So you can only change it while being in a call. And what you guys can do next is disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So go here and go over to Bluetooth now. Here you need to make sure that it's disabled, that the switch is gray and not blue, because as you guys can see now, it finds the available devices and now there's nothing. So we definitely want to disable the Bluetooth for the time of testing. And then you have an earpiece right up here. You guys can try and clean it up with a soft brush. After that, you guys can go over to the phone app or whatever app you used for calls, and what you guys can do is basically change the app. For example, if you use the phone app, you guys can try and use WhatsApp, Instagram, WhatsApp Messenger, and practically anything else that supports the call system. So next, just restart your phone by holding the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe down to reboot, and now the phone is rebooting, so I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is simply check for software updates as a last resort. So it may be an issue of your software, and you can go over to About Phone in the settings, click on the HyperOS right up here, and it will check for updates automatically, but you need to have a stable Wi-Fi connection first. So as you guys can see, there are no updates available for my device. So make sure that you have updated your POCO to the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.